The gut-skin connection. Why your skin depends on your microbiome still fighting acne, eczema, or unexplained rashes. Your skin is a mirror, and what it's reflecting is your gut. Let's uncover how healing your gut can clear your skin naturally. The skin-gut axis explained. Your skin and gut communicate constantly. When your gut is imbalanced, inflamed, leaky, or overrun with harmful microbes, your skin shows it. This is known as the skin-gut axis. Your gut microbiome helps regulate immune function, inflammation, and detox pathways. When this balance is disturbed, toxins leak into the bloodstream, the immune system overreacts, and skin conditions erupt. Acne, eczema, psoriasis, rosacea. They're not just skin deep, they're gut deep. 5 signs your skin issues are gut-related. Your skin flares after eating certain foods. Antibiotics improve or worsen your skin. You often feel bloated, constipated, or gassy. Your skin gets better on probiotics. You struggle with recurring yeast or candida. If any of these sound familiar, your skin problem is likely a gut problem. Let's break down the most common gut skin conditions. Acne is often linked to leaky gut, blood sugar spikes, and poor detox. Eczema is tied to immune dysregulation and gut permeability. Rosacea is commonly associated with SIBO, small intestinal bacterial overgrowth. Psoriasis is fueled by chronic systemic inflammation and dysbiosis, and unhealthy gut flora. The patterns are real. The science is clear. The gut and the skin are one ecosystem. Step 1 to healing. Eliminate the gut triggers. Start by removing the most common culprits: gluten, dairy, alcohol, refined sugar, and industrial seed oils. These foods can irritate the gut lining, spike inflammation, and feed harmful bacteria. Just 2 for weeks without them can make a visible difference in your skin. Inflammatory foods leak through your gut wall and show up as breakouts, rashes, or redness on your face and body. Step 2. Add gut-soothing, anti-inflammatory foods. Nourish your gut lining and microbiome with foods like bone broth, wild blueberries, cooked greens, flax seeds, fermented. Foods like sauerkraut, kefir, and kimchi. These support immune balance, repair the gut wall, and feed your good bacteria. Food is skin medicine. Step 3. Use probiotics and prebiotics strategically. Probiotics like Lactobacillus rhamnosus and Bifidobacterium bifidum help prevalence the microbiome and calm inflammation. Prebiotics like inulin, PHGG, and resistant starch feed those good bacteria and keep your gut ecosystem thriving. If you've had antibiotics, poor diet, or chronic stress, you need to rebuild the flora. Balance the gut gives balance the skin. Step 4. Heal the gut lining directly. Leaky gut allows undigested food, particles, and toxins to escape into your bloodstream, triggering immune chaos and skin reactions. Support gut barrier repair with L-glutamine, zinc, carnosine, marshmallow root, slippery elm, collagen, peptides. When the leak heals, the skin inflammation calms from the inside out. Final recap. Your skin is trying to tell you something. Stop reaching for stronger creams, antibiotics, or steroids. Start healing from within. Remove gut irritants, add gut healing foods, repair the gut lining, rebuild your microbiome. It's not a skin issue. It's a gut signal. And when you listen, your skin will respond. Subscribe to Healing Paradigm and tap the bell for our next video. Why you're always bloated. 7 hidden gut triggers you've never considered. Your gut is the root, and your skin is the bloom.